In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average in Notion. We'll walk through a quick and simple way to get the average of any numeric property in a Notion database, like grades, prices, quantities, or hours worked. You don't need any formulas for this. We'll use Notion's built-in calculation options. First, open the database where your numbers are stored. This could be a table, a board, a list, or any database view, as long as you have a numeric property, such as quantity, price, or score. For this demo, let's imagine you have a quantity column that contains numbers you want to average. Move your mouse to the bottom of that numeric column. At the very bottom cell, you'll see a small area that usually shows something like sum, count, or maybe it's blank if you haven't set anything yet. Click on that quantity summary area. This is where Notion lets you see quick calculations based on the values in the column. When you click on it, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Calculate. Go ahead and click on Calculate. This opens up all the summary options Notion offers for that property. If you've only used the default sum or count before, this is where you can change it. Once the calculation menu is open, you'll see a list of different options, things like sum, average, median, maximum, minimum, and more, depending on the type of property. To see everything that's available, click on the section that shows more options. This expands the list, which is especially helpful if you're working with different kinds of numeric fields or want to explore other summaries later. From that expanded list, look for average. Click on average to select it. As soon as you do, Notion will automatically calculate the average of all the numbers in that column and display it at the bottom where you clicked earlier. Now every time you update, add, or remove a row in that database, the average will refresh on its own. This makes it great for tracking running averages without any extra work. If the average doesn't appear right away, just check that the property is set to a number type, like number or formula that outputs a number. And that's it. You've successfully set up an average calculation in Notion using the built-in column summary tools.